Today I thought I'd do a quick little video on our Stronghold Adhesive. We've had a couple of people message us about this saying that they find it a lot different to work with compared to the original adhesive. So I thought I'd show you some tricks that I use with this adhesive and show you how it works. It's really quite simple. So with the Stronghold Adhesive, it does have a very fast moment of setting. So what that means is all of a sudden it's going to grab and set. So you need to be prepared for that moment. So once we've got that in place, I always like to maneuver those outer lashes a little bit like this too. And then I'm just going to simply scoop up, lift and hold. See that holding technique? And I'm really just holding them down and in place for a little bit longer to ensure that I get that moment of setting. You've still got a bit of time so you can separate the lashes if you need to. But what happens is now it's really starting to set quite hard. So I just have to ensure that I've got those lashes in place and that I'm happy with the separation before it sets completely. But the good thing about the Stronghold Adhesive is once it sets, the lashes really don't want to move. So I'm going to continue on just so you can see how we can go across and do the whole eye area. You can use a micro brush when you're applying this so you're not touching the lashes, but this adhesive I'm only using for this purpose. It's not being used on anyone else. So I can continue to use this brush. If I just lift and hold these lashes, that Stronghold is really working quite easily. Lashes are just coming straight up. And then I've still got time to come in and separate those lashes. I usually come back over the top of the lashes as well and just make sure that I'm really happy with that placement. So you've still got time to come through and separate. Okay guys, so the inner corners is also a really tricky area. So again, I'm using this brush. I might use a micro brush if I'm using the same glue bottle on different clients. Here we're just basically lifting up the lashes. I've probably even used more than I even need to use here. Okay guys, so I have just stuck down those inner corner lashes, and you do have to be mindful of how much adhesive you use. If you use too much, it can create a barrier across the front of the lashes, which we don't want. But you can see the Stronghold Adhesive, it is completely set now, and these lashes are beautifully locked in place, ready for our lotion step. Any questions at all, guys, you can just contact us at elleebana.com or just send an email through the website. We're more than happy to help you with it. But you can see the adhesive, it holds really well and it's quite simple to use.